up, guys? It's your girl Hoss Who, and we are back with another reaction video. I slapped my thighs this time, not my hands. Anywho, today is another short horror film day, and I am bringing them back to back. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm just in that mood, and I had a week off to re-energize and bring y'all some content. You know what I'm saying? So let's do it. Today, the short horror film that we are watching is called The Notification. Now, I usually like my short horror films about 8 minutes, 3 minutes, 7 minutes, 9 minutes. I don't usually like going past that 10-minute mark because my attention span is like a 3-year-old, and if it's not good, I'm tuned out. So, but this one is 16 minutes. And I think we can do it. I think we can do it, you guys. It's by Green Hills Entertainment. My first time watching from them. So I have my fingers crossed, and I am wishing and hoping and thinking and praying that it's good. Alright? If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Hit that notification bell. Go ahead and subscribe to your girl. Road to 4K. More subscribers, more content. And let's get to this video. I will not waste your time. Please do not waste mine. Let's get it. Let's go. Alright, let's do this. How many of y'all been like on subways before? And that's a double-decker subway. Pretty cool. I have, when I was in San Fran, I rode the subway quite a few times. It's very interesting. I think I did it one time when I was in New York, but I don't remember. I know I rode something like that in LA. I think they have like a subway in LA, but I think I did that once. But it's pretty interesting. Houston, we don't have that in Texas too much. We have like the rail, which we call the rail, but it's not. It's not underground, and yeah. I don't think we need one. As much as it floods out here, and as much as we got a lot of creepers and a lot of stuff going on, we definitely do not need one underground, because the crime rate is rising, and we don't need that. That's too much. But what city are y'all from? Do y'all have... See, I don't do that. I just keep it pushing. If I feel like someone is watching me or someone's looking at me, but we're all curious like that too. Like, we find a phone on the ground and it's non-broken, we're gonna pick that mug up and we're gonna take it. I don't know too many people that would just be like, oh, there's a phone, and just keep it pushing. No, we're gonna pick it up. And we're going to try to get in it. If it's unlocked, then even better. Sorry. Am I just clarifying that I'm a thief? Because that's what it sounds like. I'm implicating myself. Let me... and watch. Ew! From tap? I hope it's purified. That is so nasty. Ugh. I can't just drink straight tap water. And I can't really... Ugh. I can't. To each his own, right? Now you know you ain't got no windows open and you know you don't have no pets. So what does Optimus Prime always say? Roll out because we're not doing it. Who the hell is that? It ate your food. Yep. You got a ghost that's hungry. Don't want no tap water. Pissed off because you ain't make him a plate, so broke the plate. Then ate your food. And where are your curtains? And your bed is right by the out. I can't, y'all. I can't. How you get in there? Is that his? Please come to my home. First, mm, uh-uh. No, no, no. The hell is that? How the hell you get in my house? And why he don't have no blinky blinky? Dude, you too calm for me. You way too calm. Don't touch her. Call them laws. See now, in the daytime, that ambiance, all that looks nice. But at night, you gonna need to get some curtains. And why is your door open? You hot? Did he did he slide that door open? Did he have that door open all night? I have so many questions. He sweat his ass off. Oh, Lord Jesus. You better answer the damn door. I'm not gonna keep coming by and following you every 5 damn minutes. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's what we not gonna do. What the hell is this? That's the girl that was in his house, right? It's still there. I would be okay. It was interesting. Spoke too soon. Sushi? Hello. He didn't know who he was talking to. Hello. This could be a whole setup. Sushi? He walked like his ass itch. Hello. Why are these dead girls around him? Calling from Granby. Are y'all thinking what I'm thinking? Like, what's going on? What? What? Ugh. This dude is getting messages from the dead. If he don't respond and then get pissed off, talking to you from the yonder. This girl is hunting his ass. Why is he wrapped up in that? He didn't even do nothing but pick up a phone. Now he about to, like, he has to bury her because she don't have nobody around her, and that's the only way that her soul is gonna rest. Until then, she gonna harass this man. He going through so much. It's ridiculous. So what was he doing? Like, was he burying her? Because obviously she's not happy and she has left the phone again to do the same thing to someone new. So, y'all, I need to be scared. I need to be scared. Like, cut the bull. I need to be scared. You know? What's scary to me is probably not scary to you, and what's scary to you is probably not scary to me. So, to each his own. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that notification bell. Go ahead and subscribe to your girl. More subscribers, more content. Road to 4K. Stay heart happy, and I will see you guys next video. Peace.